Namaste students. I, JV and Dr. Naren Singh Shekhawat, Department of Shalya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today I will discuss about pleurisy or pleuritis. What is the pleurisy? Pleurisy denotes inflammation of the pleura with or without pleural effusion, also known as pleuritis. Pleurisy can result from direct trauma to the chest wall, but it is most commonly occurs from extension of localized disease of the lungs, mediastinum, pericardium, abdomen, or from systemic disease. These all are the causes of pleurisy. Patients who present with pleurisy usually have an associated pleural effusion. The presence or absence of pleural fluid may be a helpful differential findings. For example, viral pleurisy, rheumatoid pleurisy, and sarcoid involvement of the pleura. Causes: infections like viral, fungal, or bacterial infections, tuberculosis, congestive heart failure, malignancy, pulmonary embolism, trauma, collagen vascular disease. All are the causes of pleurisy. Okay, students? Now, pathology. A limit nerve supply exists in the lung distal to the bronchi, primarily composed of different rings of systematic and vagal origin. Therefore, stimulation of visceral pleura and lung usually does not produce pain. The parietal pleura, in contrast, is a highly sensitive surface supplied extensively with sensory afferent from intercostal, sympathetic, phrenic, and vagus nerve. Injury to the costal parietal pleura produce sharp localized pain at the site of irritation. This is the cause of pain. Inflammation of the peripheral diaphragmatic pleura also results in localized pain but tends to extend over a greater area of the chest wall, back or abdomen. Irritation of the central portion of the diaphragmatic pleura does not elicit pain in the immediate area but result in referred pain to the ipsilateral posterior neck, shoulder and trapezius muscles. Stimulation of the mediastinal parietal pleura over the pericardium may also result in pain referred to the neck. These are all the pathology of pain. Clinical features. What is the clinical features? The patient with pleurisy complains of pain on breathing that may be minimal or severe, depending on the degree of inflammation. Okay, student? Means it depends on the degree of inflammation. The patient may describe the chest pain as stabbing or shooting or as a stitch in the side. It is exacerbated by deep breathing, coughing, sneezing, or even choking. Pleuritic pain may be relieved by manual pressure against the chest wall that cause splinting. Or other features uh, it is a dyspnea. This is a common complaint result partial from the voluntary and involuntary restriction in respiration imposed by the pain. Shortness of breath, localized tenderness, referred pain to the neck or shoulder, hyperesthesia, hyperalgesia. These all and muscle spasm. These are all the symptoms of pleurisy. Other presenting symptoms depend on the cause of the pleurisy. For example, a shaking, chill, fever, and purulent sputum suggest bacterial pneumonia as the cause of the pleurisy, whereas isolated acute pleuritic pain and dyspnea may indicate a spontaneous pneumothorax. Physical examinations: the patient has shallow and rapid breathing and ipsilateral restriction of chest motion and often lies on the affected side, so limit chest expansion को limit कर देता है due to restriction of ipsilateral side. Palpation verifies the limits ipsilateral movements of the hemothorax and rarely demonstrate the affection. The percussion note may be felt owing to underlying consolidation or pleural effusion. Phemetas may be increased or diminished depending on presence or absence of consolidation. A pleural friction rub confirms the diagnosis of pleurisy. Investigation. What are the infection investigations of pleurisy? It involves blood tests which is showing in ESR, increased WBC counts. Chest X-ray may be normal if there is no pleural effusion, may reveal pneumonia, pleural effusion, tumor CT. CT scan. It is the most sensitive test to rule out any other lung pathology. Now, management. Proper rest, analgesic medicines, suitable antibiotics, and management of underlying causes means pathology or etiology of pleurisy can be treated that resolve the pleurisy. This is all about the pleurisy. This this session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, and also say and Jyoti Vidya and Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you are, if you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you, students.